everyone, I am Miss Bayan. In science class, you have been learning about ecosystems, their types, and also their components. And now, two of my awesome students are going to give a presentation about ecosystem with their types. Let's dive in.
Ecosystem is the interaction between organisms and the non-living things as components of the environment. There are many types of ecosystems on the earth, but the following are the most important. Number 1, aquatic ecosystem. Number 2, land ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystems cover over 71% of the Earth's surface in general. There are two types. Number 1, freshwater are habitats like lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Unlike saltwater, it's a dissolved salt content of a body water that includes seas and oceans.
Land ecosystem. Land ecosystem contains 100% of the surface area. It can be classified into kinds of soil, platform mass, forest, mountain, desert, polar, and savanna. First one, forest, an area that has a large number of big and green trees. The world's most important forests are tropical forests and the Amazon. Second, mountain. It includes different mountain areas, high valleys, and its summit between the mountain. Third one, desert. The next land area of very hot and is covered with sand, and is very hot and is low amount of rain. Fifth one, polar region. This region are freezing and covered with snow. Savannah, land. These are types of land almost.
No, Muhammad, there is one more. It's savanna. Savanna is a hot and humid area has scattered individual trees. Most of the plants are short and grasses.
Thanks for our teacher for learning us about types of ecosystem.
کۆمەڵگەی بان ناوەندێک بۆ پەروەردەی ژیان.